How to verify your XM profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to get your XM profile verified, then let's make it simple and stress-free. Follow the steps till the end. Launch open your XM application to get started on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, if you haven't finished your profile verification, you'll be able to see a complete button at the top left. Tap on that to continue completing your verification step. On the next page, enter your phone number by entering your country code and click on Receive Code. On the next page, enter the verification code that you received via SMS into the text boxes. Once you do, click Verify. Now, you'll need to add your profile details. Start off by typing in your first name, your last name, and then your date of birth on the page. And click Continue. Now enter your address information, your city or your town's name, enter the street number and the postal code and click Continue. On the next page, answer some of your questions. Now you'll get to verify your information. Go to the first option and tap on Verify Your Identity and upload your copy of valid password or your driver license or your identity card issued by your government of your country. Make sure to tap on Tap to Upload and upload your front side of your ID. Ensure the uploaded image shows all the four corners of the document, and once you do that, the next step is to verify your residency. Tap on the next option and upload your residency documents such as your electricity bill, phone bill, and etc. Finally, after you do that, click on Submit Documents at the very bottom, and then XM usually reviews your documents within 1 to 2 business days. You'll get an email notification once your account is verified. If any document is unclear or rejected, XM will let you know and request a re-upload. So that's how you easily learn to verify your XM profile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.